Hello, everybody, and welcome to this amazing day today. I want to ask you a question. Are you not feeling empowered? You might be out of balance. Empowerment and self-empowerment is something that we work our way into. We constantly change and evolve into the people that we want to become. We on purpose fill ourselves up with positivity and we work towards our goals and our manifestation goals. If you're not feeling empowered, there's a good chance that you're out of balance. When we try to manifest something, remember, like attracts like. So you may have chaos in your life, but ask yourself, are you going around wanting to manifest something good, but you're screaming and yelling at the people around you? You're feeling out of sorts and getting upset about little things. Many times it's just a matter of balance, coming into the flow of manifesting what you want. And you want everything to flow into you and out of into the universe, into other people's lives, and back into you. We are never ending doing this. So we always have to check ourselves and ask us why we don't feel empowered to be able to meet our goals or manifest what we want in our lives. If we're yelling and screaming and upset all the time, we're going to manifest more chaos into our lives, more things to be upset about. So I suggest you just take some time for yourself if you're feeling this way, and go outside or go to your happy place, a quiet place where you can just reflect, ground yourself, do some deep breathing exercises. Just calm your mind and get back centered and back focused on what it is that your goals are and what you want to manifest personally into your life. It's very easy to shift in and out of the flow of what you want. So when you feel yourself feeling disempowered, take your power back. Take it back calmly, even if you've got to lock yourself in the bathroom for a few minutes. Take the time you need to refocus on what you want. Is it really worth all the screaming and the chaos that's in your life right now? Or do you want to get rid of that? Start working on that. Start thinking positively about whatever situation you're in this moment. Change it. And we all have these days. Even I do. Even the big gurus or teachers online, they have off days too. So don't feel bad. Don't beat yourself up over it. Just get back on track. Ground yourself. Align your chakras. Do some deep breathing and prayer works, affirmative prayers. There's so much you can do. If you're really upset, write in your journal, write on a piece of paper how you're feeling. Get it out of your system. Then tear it up. Just tear it up, burn it, whatever you have to do. Throw it in the fireplace and get rid of it. That helps so much. But remember, basically, don't get mad at yourself. Just refocus and reground yourself, and your empowerment feelings will come back. You have the power to create anything you want in your life. You take your personal power and take responsibility for your personal power, and you can bring it back into alignment no matter what's going on around you. We do sometimes get thrown off course, but this is the way back. by grounding and getting refocused. Your empowerment is special to you. Don't give it away to anyone else. So learn to empower yourself with positive thinking, positive actions, intuitive actions. When you get a nudge or an idea that pops into your head, that's source, that's God, that's the universe telling you, go this way, go this way, go that way. Write it down if you don't have time to act on it right away. Visualize what it is that you want to accomplish and listen to these thoughts and stuff. You're not crazy. These are leading you somewhere. You just know it's not from you. These thoughts feel separate from your own thoughts. They're really cool. So learn to tap into that and see what amazing things pop into your life. With that, I won't make this too long, but God bless you, love and light to each one of you. You are deeply appreciated and divinely guided at all times. Angels are around you. All you have to do is ask for help. And I'll leave you with that till tomorrow, and have a great Saturday. Bye for now.